Up next in fourth place is the Energizer T1000. Who wants to go through the stress of acquiring different batteries to use for flashlights, when you can get an excellent rechargeable version like this one from Energizer that never needs its batteries replaced? We like that this flashlight comes highly recommended for everyone as an emergency backup light because of its exceptionally bright LED light that is up to 15 times brighter than the standard LED technology, offering up to 1000 lumens of power. When it comes to mode options, this unit has a range to choose from. You can focus in or broaden the beam depending on your needs in just a couple of seconds. This makes it very versatile. It comes with rechargeable Energizer batteries that can last for up to 4 hours of intensive use. And because they're of a standard size, you can use them for other devices as well. Unlike so many rechargeable flashlights on the market that are big and bulky, the Energizer has a sleek design that makes it ideal for everyone, especially those with small hands, as even kids can grip it comfortably. We also like that it can shine a bright light through bad weather. That's thanks to this rechargeable flashlight being IPX4 water resistant and impact resistant up to 3 feet for dependable performance no matter what. We think this flashlight is ideal for a vast range of tasks like car repair, finding your way in the dark, or as an emergency light during power outages. Its pros are, it is very bright, it has an IPX4 rating, and it is great value for money. However, its power button placement is a little awkward. The Energizer T1000 is a rechargeable unit built to provide high illumination in emergencies like urgent car repairs at night. Still haven't found a rechargeable flashlight that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.